and dance in the fire, fire. I like to see how you move, darling.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a brand new video. So as you can see from the title, I have a CHERRYZ haul for you today. So a couple of weeks ago, Cherry kindly reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to collaborate with them, and of course I said yes. However, I've been so ill for the last 2 weeks and I don't even know anymore what's in my box. I can't remember what I ordered, so I am so excited about this. If you don't know who I'm talking about and you don't know who CHERRYZ are, they are an online company who have an app. They sell everyday essentials such as cleaning bits, you get some snacky food bits on there, skincare products, all types of things like that. It's a bit like Home Bargains and Poundland sort of mixed into one. And obviously I love to save you money on this channel, so it's obviously really inexpensive. So I went on the app and picked up so much stuff. So excited to show you guys. So I'm going to get straight into this video today. I'm not going to beat around the bush or anything, but I will leave a link to CHERRYZ app in the description box down below. You can go click on that and go straight to the app, or you can download the app yourself. I also have a discount code for you guys, which is SOGEL20. I'll put it on the screen. Also leave it's in the description box down below, so you can go and click on that. You can get 20% off your first purchases. So I'm going to get straight into this video today. Don't forget to give it a like. If you like what you see today and you want to stick around, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button down below. Hit the bell as well, because that will notify you when I next upload. And without further ado, let's get straight on to it. As you know with me, there's never any order with any of this. I'm just going to pull out what's in the box and show you what I picked up. This is the box that it came in. It's so heavy, so I'm going to put it down. But it comes in a big box like this. As you can see, the packaging is pink, which is so nice. There will be any particular order with this. I'm just going to pull out what's in the box and show you. I mainly picked up cleaning bits because I was in need of cleaning bits in my house. I've been in bed for 2 weeks. I've not done any cleaning whatsoever, so I needed to get on to cleaning bits. So the first thing I picked up is some toilet rim block cleaners. This is a twin pack and it is in the scent Ocean Spray. I was in desperate need of these. I've got 2 toilets, one upstairs, one downstairs, and I just thought twin pack, that would do perfectly fine. But yeah, they just look like this. They're just for your toilet. I'm sure you know what these are. Next up, I've got some Fairy Up liquid. This is in the Clean and Fresh Apple Orchid scent. It's a bit of a smaller bottle than I usually buy, but it's only £1, and I know Fairy goes a long way, so I just picked up this. Next up, I picked up the good old pink stuff. This is a bathroom foam one, and I've literally just had the floor done in my bathroom, and my bathroom needs a good old clean. From the company Star Drops, if you don't know. If you haven't used the pink stuff yet, you need to get your hands on it because it is amazing. It's a big old bottle as well, so CHERRYZ have got your back. I picked up some Febreze. This is a fabric freshener. You can spray it on your sofas, you can spray it on the bed, on cushions, on rugs and carpets and things like that. It just makes everything smell so nice. I picked up the fragrance Blossom and Breeze. I also get this one in the tumble dryer fragrances, the tumble dryer sheets, and it smells amazing. So I saw these on their site and I wanted to try them out because I buy the Lenore ones, but honestly I use so much of them. I also put them in my cushions and pillows and stuff like that, and I use them quite a lot, and these were really inexpensive, so I thought I'd try these ones out. So they're like the wash scent boosters that you put in your washing machine, but you can use them for other things as well. I bought these ones in Fuchsia and Pearls. Have a little sniff, I've not even smelled them. Ooh, they smell so nice. Ooh, really nice actually. Cannot wait to use them. This says it does up to 10 washes as well, so that's quite a few washes with a little bottle like that. Don't know about you, but I have been in literally every shop to get hold of this, and I think it's leaking. It is leaking. Whoops. I can smell it from here. It hasn't got the nicest smell, but what I'm talking about is the white vinegar spray. This stuff is amazing on chrome, on glass, on mirrors and things like that, and I have a lot of mirrored furniture in the house and a lot of chrome, so I really need another bottle of this. But honestly, I've been to Home Bargains, I've been to B&M, even Tesco's and places like that, and I could not get my hands on this anymore. Tried different ones, but they're just not the same. I love this Star Drops one. So glad I got my hands on this one. CHERRYZ has got this. So if you're looking for this, go to CHERRYZ. Go with that white vinegar. I wanted some baking soda. This is really good to put down your sink along with that white vinegar, and it just gives your sink that nice fresh smell. It cleans out the drain and everything. So it's really good on a lot of stuff. Like you can use this on your cooker hob and places like that. It's just really, really good to get stains and everything off. So this next item, I've never used this before, really intrigued by it. Always trying to keep the toilets clean, so I saw this. These are Power Clean toilet bowl tabs. So they're just these little tablets that you put down the toilet, and they're meant to like foam up, get rid of line scale, calcium and rust and things like that. You get 8 tablets in here, and it says drop in 1 tablet, 20 minutes with no scrubbing, and it cleans the toilet. So thought I'd try these out, see how I get on with them. And I love the company Astonish. I think their products are amazing. Next up, something I've never bought before again. I bought some fridge fresheners. Don't know if they're going to work. I don't know what they're like, but apparently you put them in your fridge and they last up to 6 months and keep your inside your fridge nice and fresh and clean. Sometimes when you've got stuff in the fridge, it can smell a bit funny and make your fridge smell a bit funny. So yeah, in between like washing out the fridge and stuff, you can put one of these in, and it's meant to keep it really fresh and clean for up to 6 months, which is half a year. That's quite a long time, and I've got 2 of them. So yeah, just picked up some of these, and I'm pretty sure they were only £1, so I thought that was really good. I'm going to try these out and see how I get on with them. So still on the cleaning section, I picked up some bathroom wipes. I always use wipes to go around the toilet. I just think it's more sanitary than using a cloth and then washing it. There's something about it, I just can't do it. So I always use wipes anyway. When I haven't got the energy to go around and clean everything, I just get a wipe and wipe it all down. So yeah, picked up these. You get 70 large wipes. Also says on the pack that you get 40% extra free, which is so good. We always like a little bit of free. Next up, I couldn't believe it when I found this on CHERRYZ. I was so happy. But if you followed me for a little while, when I've done my home bargains haul, I picked these up. I was so happy when I found this on CHERRYZ because I haven't been able to get it in my normal shop that I normally go to, which is Home Bargains. But they do the plugins, the free little plugins. I've got a free Revolution, which I do have one refill here as well for that. But I just love this fragrance. This is from the company Perfect Scents, and this is in the fragrance Mystic Japan. And honestly guys, this is amazing. I love this scent. It's just so nice, and I feel like it's quite calming as well, really calming scent. So I did pick up the Febreze one, which is the one that you actually put in the Revolution plug. This is the refill. I got Spring Awakening, which I absolutely love. Again, it lasts for 90 days. This is the one that's Amber Pure. Again, like I said, it's Febreze, and yeah, so I've got 2 of them now. I've actually got 2 plugins anyway, so I can stock up. Of course, I picked up some Sephora. Yes, CHERRYZ do Sephora. They've actually got new scents on there since I've ordered. They've got some Christmassy sort of scents on there, like orange and cranberry, I think it is. Scents like that. So I will definitely be going back on CHERRYZ to order those. But I picked up my good old trusty Midnight Blooms. If you followed me for a while on this channel, you know this is my favourite scent of all time. You know what Sephora is? It is just a disinfectant that you dilute in water and you can clean around your house. It gets rid of bacteria. It leaves an amazing scent in the house. I like to put this in the sink at night and then put some boiling water on top of it, and it just makes the whole house smell amazing when you wake up in the morning. So yeah, picked up some more of this. I have already got a load of this, but I'm just scared they're going to run out of it in the shops, so I'm going to get it every time I see it because Midnight Blooms is my favourite. Next up, I picked up some stuff for the shower. This Imperial Leather I absolutely love. This is in the fragrance Sweet and Peony. Like I said, it's for the shower, so it's shower cream. But I just love this fragrance. It's so nice, and it's only £1, so I thought that was so good. I also picked up this one. I thought this one looked so luxurious. Excuse the pun because it's called Luxe, but this is in the fragrance. What fragrance are you in? Oh, Soft Touch. Yeah, got this one as well. I'm gonna have a little sniff of it actually. Oh, that smells gorgeous. So nice. Next up, I picked up some little bits for the kids. I picked them up some super soft shampoo and conditioner. This is an all-in-one, and it's just good to have around when they come around, and they always want the bath when they come around. I don't know what it is with kids, but they love a bath. Also picked them up some toothpaste because the toothpaste we got, they hate it. There's something about it. I bought a toothpaste a little while ago and it was like a real fruity sort of toothpaste and they loved it. But now they've got a new one which is more of a minty toothpaste and they hate brushing their teeth with it. So I said I would buy them some toothpaste. I found this one which is Paw Patrol. Paw Patrol is so popular at the minute, so I thought they would love this one, and it's strawberry flavour. So you can't go wrong with strawberry flavoured toothpaste for kids. I'm sure of it. I hope it's okay though. It's got a little seal on it, so I can't even open it. But yeah, I'm going to take that round to them tomorrow. I have not seen them for the longest time. Sorry if the lighting's changed, but the sun is going down now, so it's not as light in my bedroom. So next up, I picked up some Garnier No Streaks bronzer. I normally use the Dove one, which is a gradual tan, but I thought I'd try something different. I've used that one for years. I saw they did this one on there and thought I'd try something different. But it just looks like this. Can you see that with the ring light? Hang on, there you go. So it's the Garnier one, and it says no streaks, which is amazing. But yeah, I just like to use this just to brighten up my tan a little bit more. Sometimes I'm a lot lighter on my legs than I am on my top half. So yeah, I like to put it on my legs. Now it says visible application, natural looking results, quick drying, and no self-tan smell, which is amazing because no one likes self-tan smell. So I picked up some aloe vera cream, but I don't know why I picked this up. I normally buy the aloe vera gel. It's just so good, so beneficial for your skin. If you suffer with psoriasis or things like that, it is so good for that. But I saw this aloe vera cream and I thought I'd give it a go. It's just a moisturising cream, but honestly, aloe vera, I swear by aloe vera. And this is a massive, massive tub. Like, how big are you? 500 millilitres in there. And it was really inexpensive. But I absolutely swear by aloe vera. It is so good for sensitive skin, for dry skin. It's just so, so good. I actually picked up a couple of bottles of shampoo, but I thought I picked up one shampoo and one conditioner, but apparently not. Apparently I picked up two shampoos. But I've got the Tresemme shampoo. This Tresemme shampoo is absolutely amazing. It's the Pro Bond complex one with the biotin in it. It's just so, so good and so inexpensive on that app. I think it was only £2, and in the shops this is so much more expensive. So yeah, picked up this shampoo. Also picked up a Dove shampoo. Like I said, I thought I picked up a conditioner, but I didn't. This is the Pro Age one. I absolutely love this for my hair. It just does amazing things to my hair. It's so, so good. But yeah, pick this one up again, and it's for brittle hair as well. So if you're someone that bleaches your hair or colours your hair a lot, honestly, I recommend this so much. It's so good. Next up, onto the goodie bits. So I picked up this coffee because I had this about 2 years ago and I absolutely loved it. I had to turn my light on because the lighting got so bad in here. But yeah, like I was saying, I bought this like 2 years ago and I fell in love with it. But you only get like 8 sachets. Yeah, 8 sachets in a box, and it was just gone so quickly. I just couldn't get my hands on it again. And when I saw that CHERRYZ had it, I was so, so happy. But this is just iced coffee. It's in the mocha flavour. Honestly, try this. If you haven't tried it, try it because it's so good. I love it. You just add it with milk and ice and just stir it up and you're good to go. No messing about with coffee makers or anything like that. Just chuck it in a glass with some ice and some milk. It's amazing. It's really, really nice. And I've even got my son's girlfriend onto these as well. She loves them. I do other ones as well. I think they had a caramel one, which I really want to try as well. But mocha's my favourite. If it's got a bit of chocolate in it, I'm all over it. Got some Skinny Whips. I picked up some Skinny Whips. These are the guilt-free ones, strawberry and chocolate ones. These are so nice. They're only 99 calories. If you haven't tried these chocolate bars, you've got to try them. They're so, so good. And only 99 calories, so you don't have to feel guilty for having a little bar of chocolate. But I don't know why I picked these up because I have got some chocolate. But I'm going to be good and eat some of these anyway. Picked up some Hula Hoops. I'm not going to lie, I thought this was a massive bag on the site. I thought it was a bit bigger. But nevertheless, these are the big hoop ones, which is probably why it's in the smaller pack. But yeah, I did actually think this is a bigger bag of Hula Hoops. But never mind, I love Hula Hoops. Brandon loves Hula Hoops, so got some Hula Hoops. So the last little bits I picked up are a bit naughty, but a bit nice. I picked up some Boost bars. It's just good to have some little snacky bits in the cupboard. When you are watching what you eat, you do deprive yourself a lot, and these are tiny little bars, so I don't have to feel that guilty if I want a chocolate bar. But I picked up some Boost bars, you get 4 in a pack, and I also picked up some picnic bars because who doesn't love a picnic bar? These were one of my favourite bars of chocolate when I was growing up, and I was so happy I could still get my hands on them. But yeah, again, you get 4 in a pack, and these are Cadbury's, and Cadbury's all the way. I love Cadbury's chocolate. So that was everything that I picked up from Cherry's this time. I really hope you enjoyed this. I hope it gave you some insight to what you can buy on the app. But honestly, go and download the app because it is amazing. And as you can see, you've got a variety of stuff that you can pick up and so inexpensive. As I said, I will leave their link in my description box down below. So go click on that. Go check out what you can buy. Also, don't forget my discount code, which is SOGEL20, and that will get you 20% off your first order. So I really hope you enjoyed this video today. Don't forget to give it a like. Don't forget to stick around by subscribing, and I'll see you all for my next video, which is a massive Primark haul, guys. Just stay tuned for that. Stay subscribed because you're going to want to see what Primark has got to offer. And I'll see you all soon. Bye, guys. Mwah.
Dance in the fire. I like to see how you move, darling. Oh, baby, please, you look so flawless.